Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Beautiful Blues kit. With this kit, you can create 9 cards with beautiful painted florals that show love and support to those who may be feeling blue. This kit includes a stamp set with sentiments that express comfort and sympathy and is available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. These elegant cards are a touching way to let someone know you care. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!